Okay, hey, what's up? So, I'm not gonna explain the story about how I found this game for reasons. If you were me, it makes sense. Some of you guys know. Like and subscribe, comment, hit the bell. I don't post a lot though. This is a long video. Well, it's not gonna be a long video. It's probably gonna be about 15 minutes because I'm about to. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about this. Basically, I found this game in a place that I probably should, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I figured out the camera's right over there, not over there. It's fine. Oh gosh, there's a very large range of weapons. Oh, okay. If I wasn't lagging. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, lag. I love lag. It's my favorite. Oh, if he's in here, he's gonna kill me. Oh, he's not in here. That's nice. Okay, he's in the building. He has to be. Where else would he go? Okay, where did this guy go? Actually, I'm so happy left because I did not feel like I was gonna get that kill. I was not confident in myself at all. Let's switch this stuff around just a bit. This is like a Fortnite thing, but you know it's fine because I don't care. Like that, drink that. You shouldn't do that. It's mean. Please don't. Please stop. Please. Please stop. Please don't do this to me right now. Out of all the things you could be doing. Oh no. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. Didn't even know I was recording. What is wrong with this? I need to move my webcam. All these places. Oh, right here. That's better. Okay. Fixed it. Problem solved. Problem. Okay, go over there. Yeah. Oh. This chair. Whoops. Okay. Let's get this game started. There's 43 people. That's kind of sort of a very small amount. But this is not a very popular game, so it makes sense. But okay, let's just. I have this completely backwards. Well, not completely. You can come in here. There you go. Oh yeah, you want to shoot rockets? How about I shoot bullets, huh? How do you like that? Come here. No, you're not leaving. This is my code, dude. Come here. If I could hit you. Where'd you go? You did not go in the building. I will be very unhappy. He didn't so much as if you don't get over here. I'm going to light him up and kill him. Oh, there you are. Shoot the gun. There we go. Destroyed. Oh, okay. FG. Yeah. Why did I do that? That was so dumb. Let's just go in this building. Don't kill me. No. I don't have ammo. Gosh. No. Oh, it's lagging so bad. And I was killed by LeBron James. Okay, LeBron James is my name. Too. Mad. There. It's better. But keep losing. I'm gonna be a little salty. But that's okay. That's completely fine. My eyes. Okay. Wait, what is happening? Am I the only one here? Oh, there's 26 people. Okay. Yeah, what? There's literally only 26 people. That is good. Okay. You want to go in there? Do you really want to fight now? You can go. Let's go. Don't kill me. Do not kill me. I will be mad. I will be the maddest man. Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool. I don't know. Mads. There's gonna be, stay right here. There's gonna be a chest right there and right there. Trust me. Science. Computer science. Computer science. Riggs, what are you doing? Why are you just laying there? You look like you're very frustrated. I'm very thirsty. Oh, okay. Whoops. Not AFK. You're not killing me, boy. You're not killing me, boy. Yeah, you might. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're a noob. Okay, actually, no, you're not. No, you're not. Okay. I'm a noob. Oh, stop! This way! Hey, get in the corner. Now. You just go over there. Ooh, I hit him. Hit him dirty. Oh, yeah, I love this gun. It's very bad. Oh, yeah. 42. That might do the trick. Oh, whoa! Oh, that was such a... I can't even spell. Gosh. That was very frustrating. That was sad. There's tears in my eye. Tears in my... Game is gonna come out a lot laggier than it is. It's really not that laggy. Well, actually, it has a few spikes here and there, but it's not bad. People hate it when I do this, so I'm gonna do it. Wax watermelon. Yeet. Oh, yeet. Oh, got it. Okay. I hope I was in the beginning. Oh. 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 Oh, get. Stop! Thank you. Just take a chill. Oh, that's a real place. Now I just realized. Spawn area. Oh, you're not killing me, boy. I'm a legend at losing, so you're not killing me. If you don't get over here. Oh, yeah. Taking L's right now. This dude needs to... Am I sprinting? I wasn't sprinting. Oh, dude, where'd you go? Oh, he's not in there. It's right here. Wait, this isn't even the guy. Wait, is a sniper right here? I don't know why he didn't pick this up. Ah! That's why. You shoot me. You could not shoot me now. You could spare my life if you wanted to. But I'm gonna lose this game. I already know. Oh, okay. Hi, what's up, dude? Yep. I told you. Called it. But can't move. You know? No, no partner. It's not on me. How many attempts is this? I don't even know. I can't count. I can't even spell either, so it doesn't matter. Can somebody comment if I'm really bad? Because, you know, I mean, I think I already know the answer according to every game in the gameplay. But, you know, it doesn't matter. Okay. Yeet! Oh, okay. Let's not do that again, please. Can we turn off caps lock, please? 35 people. That's a very... What am I doing? I feel like Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. We're not going in there. Oh, stop, 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 stop. Take a break. Hey, break chair. Stop, 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 stop. Right now, please. You're being toxic. You're being extremely toxic. You better not come in this building and light me. You know what? You really wanted to go, dude. Let me bandage up, though. Because, you know, kind of threw down my health like you just drained my health like you just shot. This is a problem. You could go away. That'd be nice, dude. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna hit any of my shots. You know, why would I do that? Get out the building. hit my shot. Yeah, oh, right. Yes. Thanks, dude. Talk about perfect timing. Yo, oh my gosh. I just want to crush my beard. Okay, cool. Well, this is probably gonna be the last 2 rounds because I'm mad at myself and I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow because we're going to Sioux City, watching a movie probably. Going Thursday, it's gonna get our fingers dirty. I'm gonna eat them ribs just to make our mom very happy with our hands. You'll see what I mean when I show you. Yeah, you'll see the clip. I'm not gonna roll the clip because it hasn't happened. Maybe if I edit the video and then I roll the clip, then it makes sense. But I just choked on my spit. But you know, it's gonna happen. Trust me. The videos, there's things in store. What is happening? Oh my gosh. Oh, I hit tab. Never mind. False alarm. I really thought I just messed the whole game up. I may have, you know, possible. It's a possibility. If you won't pick up the gun. Gosh, man. Whose man is this? Oh wait, what? My gun has more range, of course. If I shoot it. Oh my! You are trash. You are correct. There's no better way to explain it. I'm also trash. But you know, it's fine. Where's the dude? Doing it for the gameplay. Doing it for the gameplay. Wow. And that's the same start of my name. I should change my. Ooh, ooh. Wow. I'm on fire. Fire. This might be my game. I will light you up. I'm pumped. I'm lit now. Lit. I got all my. Okay. No. Cool. You know, you should just be AFK. XXS Sentoshi. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You're a great man. Well, you were a great man. But you know, you're a great dude. But I just had to wreck you there. Sorry. Very sorry. But I am also very mad, so technically we're good. If I end off, I'm great. Oh, wait, is this? No, or not, you know. Do not kill me. You'll make me mad. Don't do it. Stop reloading. Kill him. 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 Go. He can die on his own. I don't care. I'm in here. Safety first. I gotta be sneaky now because I don't have much. Oh no! I'm gonna one more time. You know what? Wow, we got 48 seconds. While this 48 seconds happens, you can like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below if you're trash, as I said that before. Okay? Do me a favor. That wasn't me. That was the string. Oh, I'm sorry. Would you like some? Here, yeah. Yeah. Hope you like it. Okay. This video is gonna have to hurry up. Come on! Time limit, y'all. I got a time limit, y'alls. Y'alls. I got a time limit, y'alls. Alright, y'alls? I got a time limit. So, oh, this dub might be in my hands. Does this guy have a gun? Oh. No, die. Come here, buddy. You're not gonna get away. Well, actually, you might, because I was not sprinting. Yeah. Come here. Hey, where do you think you're going, man? This little man is crazy. Come on. Oh, he went in here. There's no way he didn't come here. He'd be dumb. Okay, he didn't come here. Now he didn't look at this. Where's his camera?